And then you have a beautiful bath.
Wow.
Double sinks. Nice lighting on the top.
This feels like a hotel. This is like a boutique hotel bathroom. Oh, the shower's huge.
So the shower and bathroom are huge, but come, I want to show you the closet of this master bedroom. Look at this.
What is this?
This is incredible, right? This is all built out. I mean, it's fit for a prince or princess.
Good morning, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere with my father Tomas Hoffman in Miami, Florida, our hometown. And today we're going to be showing you one of my father's listings, a $5.6 million modern home in the Ponce Davis area, which is basically between Coral Gables and South Miami. Now, Dad, tell me a little bit about this property.
Well, this property is 11,000 square feet. It's a 6-bedroom, 6.5 bath, the half bath meaning a powder room and an office. And it's an amazing property. It's by a very famous architect called Cesar Molina. Let's go in.
Let's go.
So here we are, we're coming into the house. This house is very unique because it has a private driveway. As you can see, the garages are not in the front or the side, they're in the back. So you have your own private row, which is lit up at night. You
don't see that every day.
No.
That's the first time I see that ever. I've never seen that before.
So here you have a parking, three parking spaces in front of the house. So when you arrive and you don't want to go back to the garage, you can park right here, or your guests can come in and park here. As we come in, you'll see we have some beautiful steps and an amazing entrance. The door is about 400 pounds and it weighs a lot, but it opens up like butter. It just slides open. So as soon as you walk in, you have this beautiful view of the pool. You have your living room on the left, dining room on the right, and you have a unique office with an amazing view to the outside, to the east. So you have the bright sun of the morning, and the whole house is just, it's peaceful. It's got this very nice feeling to it.
And it's very lit up, as you can see. I mean, lots of light in here. You don't even have to turn on these lights because these windows, basically an entire wall is just windows.
Okay, so the furniture is available. Also the art, we have a lot of art pieces that are really nice. You'll see as we go through the video. And this is the living room. Look at this. You have a light, 270-degree light, and you have a view to the garden. You have a chimney, which is very nice when it's cold. Not very often in Miami, but when it does, it's nice. And you have a beautiful 70-foot pool with a waterfall and jacuzzi at the end.
What I like the most about, especially the beginning part, is that, from the office, you can see the driveway, you can see people come in, and from here you can see basically the whole house.
A dining room that right now it's sitting 10 people, but you can easily expand it to 12. It's very comfortable, very bright. It's an open floor plan. There's really not, like nooks and spaces that are tucked away. Everything is open in this house. As we continue, you'll see here we have the powder room, and this is just an amazing powder room. The design, it's all, travertine marble on the wall. It's got some unique wallpaper, and the doors, the quality of the doors in this house, and I didn't know this until recently, they are Russian. I didn't know that Russians made such great quality doors. Look at the hinges, the recessed hinges, and the quality of everything here. It's just amazing. Look at upstairs. The centerpiece of this house, everything revolves around this amazing kitchen. Look at this. I mean, this is just, it's amazing. It's by Italcraft. We have double sub-zero refrigerators. These are just awesome. Look, we have plenty of champagne to throw a party if you want. This kitchen has tons of storage space. All the appliances are the latest technology, Wolf. I mean, look at this. We have a plate warmer just to keep things warm, so that food doesn't get cold. Gas range. It's a microwave combination with a vapor oven. It's new technology to keep everything, really well cooked. And here, David, we have, and it's flush. You can't really see it until you come in. You have a big pantry. This is not finished yet, and I'm sorry about all the equipment and stuff, but
I thought it was just a wall right there.
Right?
Wow. I think that for me the coolest thing so far has to be the plate warmer. I've never seen that. even your other houses. I haven't seen that before. And just the amount of light that comes in from all the windows and the ceilings, I mean, that just really makes you feel like you're in a really spacious environment, right?
It's very open, easy living. Look at this marble, this countertop, the size of this countertop and the quality and the design of the marble, and if you see the backsplash, this is just so unique. If you see the pattern is continued.
This is like a huge island, like a huge island. How many people sit here? 8?
Now it's set up for 6, but you can put 9 actually.
Wow, this is just amazing.
It's beautiful. And you got side by side wine coolers here, and just tons and tons of storage space. As you can see, I mean, we could go on and on and on. Moving on, we have the family room. Again, very open with a very nice view, and it's connected to the kitchen. It's one big space. And now let me show you something. This is so unique to this house. Watch these doors as I open them, David. So right now it's hot in Miami, but very shortly we're gonna be going for winter. And look at these doors, how they collapse. So what happens is your family room and your outdoor area become one.
Everything connects here.
Everything connects.
So your kids could be in the pool and you could be here watching the game and still be like seeing them perfectly.
And just having natural air and enjoying the outdoor lifestyle of South Florida. We have a beautiful grill for you, and you have a bar, and we have a few stools here to keep your outdoor atmosphere going in the pool. We have a sound system which we're gonna turn on a little bit later. We have the house is completely pre-wired. Also, the electrical system on this house is Lutron, and it's LED, so it's a very low consumption. You can control it from an app on your phone from anywhere in the world. You can dim it, you can turn it up, down, and the consumption, I mean, LED is LED. It's the technology of the future now.
In terms of outdoors, right here we have an amazing Olympic-sized swimming pool. Over here we have like a little area. I guess this is for like kids, right?
Yep.
It's like 6 inches. It's a kiddie area, and then in between it you have this like I guess these small islands, right? Like little islands.
They basically go down the steps, they connect to the beautiful yard that we have here. Also, if you notice at the end of the pool, this is a 70-foot pool with a beach area at the end, a very shallow area. And basically you can throw in your outdoor furniture into the water. And behind it, we have a jacuzzi with a waterfall that it's lit up at night.
That's a jacuzzi?
That's a jacuzzi.
Oh my God.
And it's heated. And the pool system on this house has no chlorine. It's a saltwater system.
Oh, saltwater.
Saltwater system.
Wow.
We don't use chlorine anymore.
Out here we have another little area with the couch, 2 seats. So you have this bar area, you have the grill, a sink so you can wash, your cups. You have 4 different stools here. You have another table. We still have to finish up in the bottom level. We have, I think, some rooms over here and the garage.
Here we have an elevator. I can't open it now because it's not operating yet. We have a 4-person elevator. All these houses have to have an elevator. You say, well, why? People are not old. Well, people are comfortable. They like to put the luggage. They travel a lot. So it's very convenient. But if you need it, you have it. Here, we're coming into what is known as the guest room. I think of it more like a multi-purpose room. Could be a man's cave, could be a bar, could be a place that
a gym.
Could be a gym.
I personally would make this a gym or an office, and then like literally be able to dive into the pool whenever I want.
And look at this bathroom. This bathroom also doubles up for a pool. All the bathrooms are decorated design.
And what are the ceiling heights? Because everything feels super tall.
It's 12 foot.
12
foot. The first floor of this house is 12 feet high. Okay. The second floor is 10. You see that recessed space up there? Mm-hmm. That's created so you can put your roller shades, and they're hidden with their machinery. So you have roller shades, usually electronic, with the app, and you can control them, but they hide. You can't really see them when they're retracted. These windows and doors are basically hurricane ready. Okay, they're hurricane code, and they're rated to about 160 mile an hour winds. It's very difficult to break them. They bend. Sometimes they can break, but they don't break. It's like a car, it's got a film in the middle. It will hold together. Very, very tough. You can throw a metal chair into this and it'll just bounce.
And right here we also have a closet, a built closet, right here. Nice, I like it.
The uniqueness about this house, I would say, is that it's a modern contemporary home, but it's got a warm feeling to it. Normally, a modern home, a boxy home, is usually a white box with minimalistic, very, very dry kind of feeling. And this one, on the contrary, if you notice, it's warm, it's soft. It basically says, family, love. It's just a lifestyle of warmth. So here David, we have a laundry. It's very modern, latest technology, washer and dryers. You got all your sound equipment and your automation. It's in here. If you come over, you have maid's quarters, and it's pretty much built to the rest of the house and standards as far as the flooring and the colors and the doors. This house has all the closets finished, and I will show you in a moment.
So this is the maid's quarters. Next to us we have the laundry room, and over here we have the garage.
Okay, so this triple car garage opens up to the end of the private driveway, where you basically drive in and you turn around and go out, and you obviously have extra parking space.
3-car garage, but then you also have extra parking space out here. And then behind you, you have another neighbor, but their house is easy like 50 to 70 yards that way. So, I mean, you have a lot of space in between. It's still very private back here. I mean, just the maid's quarters feels like its own house.
This little pad here is a generator pad, and it's basically set up for, the house is set up for a generator, it's optional. It can drive about 70% of the house for a week non-stop.
Now here, where you get to the driveway, see you have this little private street. So this little private street really shows you the size of the house. Look at that, look how long it is. That's how big this house is in terms of length. Really, really long. Now let's go check out the upstairs.
Okay, so follow me upstairs now. This is a beautiful staircase. It's all wood going out all the way up to the first floor, and it's got beautiful, beautiful windows. You will see as we go up.
Love the staircase.
Right?
Oh man, beautiful. Yeah, so it's all lit up in the bottom, right here.
Yeah.
You see, always lit up.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't even need that. During the day, you don't need it, but wow. These are huge windows.
Yeah.
Huge. You can always check to see if anybody's in your property, right? From over here. Wow.
This house has a personality and a feeling that is so unique. Also, there is tons of closet space additional to your regular closet, which are just amazing in this house. Look how much storage space. If you have coats, if you have hats, you have stuff that you don't use normally. You have all the space to put them away. This is the second family room, David, upstairs. All these houses should have two. This is a beautiful room where you can enjoy time with your family or your loved ones. There's 3 rooms up here connecting to this. They're all pretty much the same in terms of size, dimension. So I'm going to show you only one. This one happens to have the bath. If you see here, it's beautifully finished. Also, you know, with the same doors that you saw downstairs. But here we have something unique. This house has great outdoor terraces. And you remember the door I showed you downstairs? Look at here. You have the same effect. You can connect your bedroom to a beautiful terrace.
This side over here has the 3 rooms, right? Master plus 3, they're all connected to the same terrace, so you basically can open up the terrace and go and see all your kids,
Yeah,
right?
you can basically, the whole house is connected on the top by a big, big terrace that you can see here.
Wow.
Look, here you can see it behind me.
Incredible.
And look at this room. So this room has like its own private outdoor area. So does that room and that room. So there's 3 rooms with private outdoor areas, which is very unique.
So here we have the closets for this room.
These closets are what's fashionable now. They're all built in. Usually a house like this doesn't have finished closets, but in this case, we did them and they came out great. I mean, they're just very well organized. Okay, David, so follow me.
So much light in here. I haven't been in a house with this much light in my life.
The elevator is right here. Beautiful window, beautiful light, and welcome. This is your master. It's a master that's big, but it's not like humongous. So it's very, very personal. It's very warm. You can see lots of light, and it's got a private outdoor area also that I'm going to show you here. This is your own private outdoor. Here you have a ladies' makeup area, and then you have a beautiful bath.
Wow.
Double sinks, nice lighting on the top.
This feels like a hotel. This is like a boutique hotel bathroom. Oh, the shower's huge.
So the shower and bathroom are huge, but come, I want to show you the closet of this master bedroom. Look at this.
What is this?
This is incredible, right? This is all built out. I mean, it's fit for a prince or princess.
This is what I want. This. So I have my button downs here, my t-shirts here, X shoes here. The middle is the best, so you can like lay out what you're gonna wear tomorrow. You know, just have it ready.
Or when you travel, you can
traveling,
basically pack very comfortable.
I mean, come on, I need this in every single hotel room. You put this, you put your your luggage right here, you pack up really easily.
This is it, ultimate living, right? Come, I want to show you something else. There is something very unique about this house also, which is this. It's this sun deck you see across that you can basically access from any room. And you come out, you have a hallway.
Oh wow.
And then this hallway connects directly to
Let me
the rest
see
of
that.
the house.
I didn't know it was connected like this.
Yes, of course.
Oh wow. So you have this sun deck over here, so you could just be relaxing here in the sun.
You have 1,700 square feet of sun deck.
1,700 square feet?
Of
That's like
sundeck.
my house.
Yeah, exactly. You can see
Oh my
your whole
god,
house
that's
here.
horrible.
But it's,
oh my god.
it's all lit up. It's got LED lighting. It lights up at night, and you can have wine and relax up here, or just
Smoke a cigar.
look at this pool. Look at the view you have from the sun deck here. Here you can actually see the whole house. When you're here in the sun deck, you have access through these stairs going below to the pool area. So you can go in the pool, go in the jacuzzi, come back, keep enjoying the day, have a little wine.
But this is the best part about Miami, is that Miami, it's like this year round. Like the weather is perfect. You have a little bit of rain here and there, but it's always like this, always sunny. Christmas or 4th of July. So
Yeah,
always
I
gonna be
mean,
really
our
sunny.
Christmas is not really cold.
Nah, but nah.
No.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this $5.6 million house tour here in Miami. How many square feet again?
11,000.
11,000.
6 bedroom, 6 baths, a powder room, and a studio.
I mean, this is like the house that I want. People are buying $35 million homes in Miami. You don't need that. This is perfect, and you're in an amazing area. Ponce Davis is like literally in between South Miami, Coconut Grove, Coral Gables. I mean, you're really in the center. The best schools are in this area. Yeah, I mean, top schools in the city.
All the
for
best
sure.
schools of the area, the schools of this, the city are here. Yeah.
So if you're thinking about buying this house, contact my father. His number's right here. And if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. Many more house tours coming soon. Peace.